Is your Safari browser feeling cluttered, or do you want to remove your browsing history for privacy reasons? In this quick tutorial, I will show you exactly how to clear Safari history on your iPad in just a few taps. Start by opening the Settings app on your iPad. Scroll down the left sidebar and tap on Apps. From the list of apps, find and tap on Safari. Scroll down and tap Clear History and Website Data. Choose your desired time range and then tap on the Clear History button. As soon as you do this, the Safari history for your chosen time range will be cleared. This includes your browsing history, cookies, and other website data from your device. You can also clear your Safari browsing history directly from the Safari browser. To do this, launch Safari and open a new tab. Tap on the sidebar button to reveal Safari sidebar. Here, tap on the History option. Now tap on the three-dot button from the top and then tap on Clear. Again, choose your desired time range and then tap on the Clear History button. If you only want to remove a specific website from your browsing history, then from the three-dot button tap on Select Websites and choose the website that you want to remove from your device's history. After selecting it, tap on the Trash button. And that's it. You have successfully cleared your Safari history on your iPad. If this guide helped you out, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more iPad tips and tech tutorials. Thanks for watching.